How to fix stuttering in Lost Ark. So if you want to fix stuttering in your Lost Ark, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply search for NVIDIA application. If you have NVIDIA software, you'll be able to go to the graphic settings for each game. So let's say, for example, you have Lost Ark here on the left side of your screen. Like, I'll just simply go with the Valorant. You just need to simply follow the same steps for Lost Ark as well. So what you'll do is drag this slider from recommended to performance. After that, click on the optimize section. Once you click on optimize, you can just close this down. Once done, now you need to open up your settings. After that, you need to go with your search and search for graphic settings. And then you need to make sure that you enable the option of hardware accelerated GPU, and then go with desktop app, and then go with browse. And you need to select the application to let Windows decide high performance. Once you're done with this, you need to go back, close this, and now you need to open up your CMD. Go with CMD, right click on it, and go with Run as Administrator. Click on Yes, and here you need to run a command. You need to enter ipconfig space / flush DNS, and then press the enter. After that, you need to go with the second command, which is ipconfig space / release. And once it's done, you need to close this as well. Now you want to go to your Steam. Or you can also do another thing, which is if you have the application, like Lost Ark application, you need to just simply go with the application. In my case, I'll just simply go with this application, for example. You need to right click on it, and then you will have an option of properties. Go with it. Under properties, you need to go with the compatibility section and go with run this program as an administrator. After that, click on apply and OK, and your problem will be fixed. That's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.